Hello friends, today we will discuss about a very simple but effective trick to make profit over roulette table. In this trick I will use only $10 bets. My base bet will be $10 and I have used $5,000 as my bankroll and I will try to make some profit over this trick. Within this 15 minutes of play I will try to make maximum profit as possible. So as you see my bankroll is $5,000. And I will try to make as much possible in 15 minutes. So for this trick I have decided two places to play and I will tell you the logic behind these two places. I have selected a place at this place and red numbers. I will put $10 here and $10 here also. So what is the trick and how you can make profit? Let's see. So let's start the video. $10 at smaller number and $10 at red number. The smaller number covers 18 numbers from the table. The smaller number covers 18 number from the table and the red number covers rest of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers, 9 numbers. And we only lose at those black numbers. So how we can maximize the profit, let's see within the video. So let's start. It's 14 red and we win. So whenever we win at the beginning, we just rebet and play. We will start with same initial $10 bets at two places. It's 27 red. Our profit and loss is 0. No profit, no loss. So at this situation, we just rebet and play. We only add 1 unit or $10 at both the places at our losses. It's 25. Again, no profit, no loss situation. So we just rebet and play. It's 2 black. Same, no profit, no loss situation. Friends, all the red numbers from this section of the table will give us a profit. And all the red number from this section of the table will neutralize our losses. And also all black numbers from this section also neutralize our losses. So we have neutralized a lot of things from the table. So our winning and losing chances will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 winning chances and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 losing chances. So that difference of 1 winning chances will give us the profit we play for. So let's continue the game. It's 6 black. Again, no profit and no loss. So just rebet and play. It's 15. Again, the same situation. So just rebet. So just rebets and play. We will continue the game for 15 minutes and see whether this technique will give us some profit or not. It's profit. So again, just start from the initial $10 bets. It's 27. Again, no profit, no loss. So just rebets and continue the game. $17 black. The same, no profit, no loss, neutral situation. So just rebets and play. It's 12 red and we make some profit over here. So as we make some profit over here, we just start from the beginning, $10 at both the places. 1 at small number and 1 at red numbers. It's 0. It's a loss. So we just rebet and add 1 unit to both the places as we have lost everything at 0. It's 33, again a big loss, so just rebets and add one unit or $10 at both the places and continue. It's 32 red and no profit, no loss, so just rebets and continue. It's 25, again the same situation, no profit, no loss, so just rebets and continue. It's 5 red and we win here. So we are at 3 units at both the places. After every win, we will reduce 1 unit from both the places, or we will play with now $20. Earlier it was 30, but this time it's $20 at both the places and play. Whenever you win, just reduce 1 unit or $10 from both the places. It's 3, again we win. So we will again reduce $10 from both the places, and now it's become 10 and 10 at both places and play. Is 24 black and we lose. So as I told you, whenever I lose, I just rebets and add $10 at smaller number and $10 at big red numbers. Is 3 red and we win. So my last bet was $20 at both the places. So as I win here, I've reduced it to $10 at smaller number and $10 at red numbers and play. It's 9, again I win. So I will start from the beginning. That's $10 at both the places. Why I'm adding $1 after every loss? That is important. The logic behind this adding $1 or 1 unit after every loss is that whenever we win, we will win something more than the last lose. It's 33 black and I lose. So here, as I lose here, I just rebets and add one unit to both the places. It's 18 red and I win. So my earlier bets was $20 at both the places. This time it's $10 at both the places. It's 5 red and I win here also at both the places, 10 and 10. If this trick works for the 50 minutes, then this will definitely give you some profit in roulette. So it's a lose, so I just rebets and add 1 unit or $10 to both the places. $10 is my 1 unit as I am playing with $10 bets. It's 6 black and I neither won or neither lose. It's a neutral situation, so I just rebets and continue the game. The only problem in this game, in this trick, is if you hit 2 or 3 consecutive zeros, then there is a problem. So it's just rebets and play. What I'm telling is if you hit zeros regularly, then you need to play some more spin to cover your losses. It's a loss, so I just rebets and add $10 at smaller number and $10 at red number and continue the game. As I told you, it's zero. No problem, it's zero. Just take it as a simple loss and add 1 unit to both the places or $10 to both the places. It's 16 red and I win. So my last spin was $40 at both the places. So this time it's 30 at smaller number and 30 at red numbers. It's 18 red, again I win. So I will just reduce 30 to $20. My last spin was $30, so this time it's $20 at both the places. It's 13 for black, no profit, no loss, so just rebets and continue the game. It's 21 red, Again, a neutral situation, no profit, no loss, so just rebets and continue. Friends, we are playing with only $10 bets. So again, the same, no profit, no loss situation, so just rebets and play. We only win with the red numbers, red and smaller numbers, and we only lose at black and bigger numbers. So again, it's a zero profit, zero losses, so just rebets and continue. We have neutralized lots of numbers, almost half of the table, so that the chances of loss will reduce. It's a win here, so I just my last bet was $40 at each places, so this time I will go with $30 at both places. It's 6 black, no profit, no loss, again a neutral situation, so I just rebets and continue. It's 4 black, again no profit and no losses, so just rebets and continue. It's 28 black and I lose everything I bets. So I just rebets and add 1 unit or $10 and $10 to both the places. This time I'm playing with the $40 at smaller number and $40 at red numbers. I win over here. So my last win was $40 at both places. So this time it's $30 at both places. It's 30 red. Again, the neutral situations. We have neutralized half of the table, so it's obvious that no profit, no loss situation will comes again and again. This time, the same situations, the neutral situations. So again, play. Neutralizing half of the table will really gives you a good profit. Again, the neutral situations. So just rebets and play. It's 14 red and I win. So my last bet was $30. So this time it's $20 at both the places. It's 2, again neutral situation. So just rebets and play. It's 31 black and we lose. So just rebets and add $10 to both the places. It's 27 red, again the neutral situations. So we just rebets and play. It's 22 black and I lose here. So just rebets and add $10 at both the places. It's 24 black, again we lose, so just rebets and add $10 to both the places. It's 7 red and I win. My last spin was $5, 5 units or $50, so this time it's $40 at both places as I win my last spin. It's 29 black, again I lose, so just rebets and add $10 to both the places. It's 4, a neutral situation, so we don't need to worry about that. We just rebets and continue. It's 34, again the neutral situations, and just rebets and continue. As we have neutralized half of the table, so these numbers are very common. Again the neutral numbers, so just rebets and continue. Again a neutral numbers, just rebets and continue. It's 5 red and I win. So my last win was $5, 5 units, sorry, and so I just go with 4 units or $40 at both the places. It's 24 black and I lose. So I just rebet and continue the game. It's 15, again the neutral situation, so just rebet and play. It's 4, again in neutral situations, so just rebets and play. We are only using $10 bets and trying to make some profit. It's 3 and I win. So as I win here, I will reduce it to, my last win was $40 at both the places. So this time I'll go for $30 at both the places. It's 4, again a neutral situation, so I just rebet and play. It's 16 red and I win. So friends, in this about 15 minutes of play, we have made a profit of about $320 by using only $10 bets. So I hope you understood the technique, what exactly is. So let me explain the trick once again. You only need to play $10 bets and with only 2 bets, one at a smaller number and one at at red numbers. So whenever you lose, just add 1 unit or $10 to both the places, and whenever you win, just reduce 1 unit or $10 from both the places. And the trick is that we have neutralized half of the table. We will win only if we hit smaller and red numbers, and we will lose only at bigger black numbers. For rest of the numbers, we have only no profit and no loss situations. We have just neutralized the table. So neutralizing the table in this trick will give you an advantage that you can make some profit. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends who are active in Roulette so that they can also make some profit from this table. So goodbye and take care.